What are you eating? Are you eating yogurt? Uh-oh. Did it fall? Give yourself a bite of yogurt.
Michael.
Help him get some yogurt.
Here. Let's get some yogurt. Here you go. Have some yogurt.
Oh, rub it in the hair.
No power struggle there.
What's that? It's hamburger. It's a snack. Who's that? Is that your doggy?
Michael, what sound does a doggy make?
Yeah,
Good boy.
good job.
You got yogurt on your hands? Here. Oof.
How's your yogurt? Oh, I don't think it's yucky. I think it's delicious.
Here you go.
Oh, it's such good hair gel. Wow, you're getting so good at feeding yourself yogurt.
It's true. Here, you should try it. Your hair is so nice. Are you hungry? Here, are you hungry? Here, let Daddy help you. Some more in your spoon.
Okay, I think maybe it's time to take the spoon away. Who's gonna get a shower? Can you say bye-bye? Good boy.
Good boy.